A great way to increase the impact of your English at work is by pairing words that sound alike and have similar meanings. I want you to listen to the song and write down 3 word pairs that you can use at work. Let's go.
In the deadlines and the meetings where you speak, you've been shaping language that feels strong and sleek. And when precision matters and the room needs clarity, pairing up your words brings a new kind of authority. It's not repeating, it's expanding the tone. 2 words pairing to drive the message home. That's the rhythm of the words you speak. A steady pattern that makes your meaning sleek. Effective and efficient, they land as one. A paired little rhythm like a beat on a drum. Clear and concise when the pressure is on. That's the rhythm that carries your message along. Practicing the cadence and the tone, finding confidence in skills you've slowly grown. When the moment's tricky and the room feels tight, paired words echo and your message comes out right. It's not about repeating, it's about sounding sure. 2 aligned ideas make your meaning more pure. Adaptable, steady and strong. That's the rhythm that carries your message along. Say it twice but not the same. A mirrored meaning in a mirror name. A natural rhythm you can trust and hold a